All living things need water to survive and grow. But regular watering takes time and effort, and it's important to ensure that precious water is used effectively. Watering from above is good, but the effects of wind, sun and other factors can make this an inefficient and temporary solution. Watering from below helps overcome these problems. Introducing WaterUps from Down Under. WaterUps is a water wicking bed that uses the same principle as an oil lamp that uses cotton to wick oil from below. Each WaterUp bed has a series of legs which allows the soil mixture to wick or suck the water from the reservoir to the layer above. This provides a more consistent water supply to produce ideal, consistent water levels and reducing water waste. The reduced water requirement also benefits the gardener, since they only need to water filling the reservoir system at extended intervals rather than water plants daily.